Why choose Air Traffic Controller (ATC) as a career? Choosing a career as an air traffic controller (ATC) can be a fulfilling decision for individuals who thrive under pressure, enjoy challenges, and have a passion for aviation. Below are some compelling reasons why people choose this career path. Competitive salary and benefits. Air traffic controllers enjoy some of the highest salaries in the aviation industry, with median earnings exceeding $125,000 annually in many regions. Alongside attractive pay, the profession offers excellent benefits, including comprehensive healthcare, retirement plans, and job stability, making it a financially rewarding career. Dynamic and exciting work environment. The role of an air traffic controller is fast-paced and ever-changing, perfect for individuals who thrive under pressure. Every day presents new challenges, requiring quick decision-making, problem-solving, and coordination, ensuring the job is always engaging and fulfilling. Opportunities to work globally. With aviation being a global industry, air traffic controllers can explore international opportunities. Certifications like ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, compliance can open doors to working at airports around the world, offering exciting career mobility. Continuous learning and skill development. The role of an air traffic controller involves continuous training and skill enhancement. Controllers must stay updated with the latest technologies, aviation protocols, and airspace regulations, ensuring personal and professional growth throughout their careers. Teamwork and collaboration. Air traffic controllers work closely with pilots, airport staff, and fellow controllers to ensure seamless operations. This collaboration fosters a strong sense of teamwork and camaraderie, making the work environment both supportive and rewarding. Contribution to society. By ensuring the safe and efficient movement of millions of passengers and cargo, air traffic controllers play a vital role in supporting global connectivity, commerce, and emergency services. This contribution to society adds a meaningful dimension to the profession. Early career entry. Unlike some professions that require years of advanced education, a career as an air traffic controller can often begin with focused training and certification, allowing individuals to start earning and gaining experience relatively early in their professional lives. Opportunities for stress resilience and leadership. The high-stakes nature of air traffic control hones valuable skills like stress management, quick thinking, and decision-making under pressure. These abilities are transferable to leadership roles, both within the aviation industry and beyond. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.